What is this? Nut. So here, N is consonant. U is vowel. T is very good. Then next word, name. Consonant name. So N is consonant. A is M is E is vowel. Very good. The next word is nest. Nest means pakhir basha, na? Okay, so N is consonant. E is S is T is excellent. The last word is new. What's the meaning of new? Notun. Do you like new dress? Yes. Okay. Okay. New toys. Yeah. So N is here. N is consonant. E is Rafsan kintu porcho na. W is consonant. Thank you. So bashay amra ki korbo word gulo likhe you just write down and which one is consonant and which one is vowel. So you understand everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Say bye bye.
Bye.